Alright, so where is it? Here it is. It should be right. Let me check it right. Yes. Alright, so let's begin today's live session. First of all, it has been a while, and not a while, just a few days. So the examination for the SBI clerical mains might held around the second week of April, as per my estimate, and whatever I have researched till now. So the preliminary examination result might come around the last few days of this March month or the early days of April month. So that's just my estimate for now, but whatever the result is, I have to prepare it for the mains, of course. So it has been a while, and I have started once again from today onwards the whole preparation thing. So in the early morning today, I completed the daily current affairs, which is of course the video from the very source that I usually follow. And other than that, I was not able to be much productive today. I was trying my best to at least focus on the study, but yeah, it's been bothering me a lot. There's been a lot of things going around, like in my mind actually. So it's been a while since I am like this, and I have almost gotten a little bit of peacefulness, and it's exactly around 5:16 p.m. in the evening. So a few moments ago I had woke up with my afternoon. So right now I have decided to start preparing for the current affairs of the February month of 2025. So today in this session I will try to complete the banking and finance, as many current affairs as possible. So I have not decided how many current affairs I will try to do. I will just keep reading it. First of all I will try to go through the current affairs by reading, and I will try to revise it once again later on some other day. So that's it. Alright, so let's get started. So the first one, banking and finance. Reserve Bank of India to inject 10 billion through forex swap. RBI, it is related to an RBI. RBI inject 10 billion through forex swap. The RBI, where is it? Is it okay? Yeah, I think it's okay. RBI will conduct a record $10 billion rupee buy sell swap action February 20th to address the durable liquid. Okay, RBI will buy dollars immediate and sell them swap. This marks that so it is not much. So I will just give it a normal tick first of all. Okay, let me check another thing also today. Is it okay right now? Okay, the next one, it is an important one. So Moody's, India's GDP growth to slow to 6.4% in the year of 2025. It is a estimate, GDP estimate by Moody's. So India growth is anticipated to decelerate to 6.4% in 2025 from 6.6 in 2024 due to new US tariffs and weaker global demand affecting exports, according to Moody's Analytics. Okay, so that's the thing. And then there is the report highlights a broader slowdown in the Asia Pacific region, with China's GDP growing also decreasing. China's GDP also decreasing. So according to Moody's, India's GDP growth will slow down to 6.4% from 6.6%, which was in the year of December 2024 till the end of 2024. So the next is the NSDL CDSL launch Unified Investor App. NSDL, the National Securities Depository Limited, and the Central Depository Services Limited, in collaboration with capital market regulators SEBI, have launched the Unified Investor App (UIP). Unified Investor App. It is an important current affairs also. Integrating MyEasy by CSDL and Speed E by NSDL. So the two apps have launched the Unified Investor App (UIP), integrating MyEasy by CDSL and Speed E by NSDL. So the two, which are the MyEasy and Speed E, both are integrated into the UIP, Unified Investor App. So the next is this platform provides investors with a consolidated view of their financial statements, shareholdings, and others. So it is an important UIP. It is related. SEBI proposes tighter security for investors trading accounts. So there's been a okay, this one. The Secretary and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, Secretary and Exchange Board of India have proposed a SIM binding mechanism to prevent unauthorized transaction in investors trading on demat accounts. Then this mechanism will ensure that a user can log into their trading account once the unique client code matches with the linked mobile device and SIM. Okay, to log in on other devices like desktop or laptop, and what else is the QR code based proximity sensitive and time sensitive authentication will be used. A biometric authentication would also be required on the primary SIM bound device. Okay, mobile device can be linked to multiple UCC of family members who use the same number provided there. Additionally, a fallback system will be set up in case they are done that. Okay. Additionally, a fallback system will be set up. Changing the proposed will also be invested to get. Okay, that's not that much is important. Then there is next one. Flow in NRI deposits up 40% to 113.33 billion in April-December 2024. Yes. Flow in NRIs, the flow of money from overseas Indian into non-resident Indian deposit scheme rose by 42.8% to 13.33 billion. 13.33 billion April and December 2024 from 9.33 billion during the same period in 2023. So from 9.33 billion to it has increased to 13.33 billion in April and December 2024. The flow of NRI, non-resident Indian deposits. NRI deposit scheme include foreign currency non-resident FCNR, foreign currency non-resident deposits, non-resident external deposits, NRE deposits, non-resident external deposits, then non-resident ordinary deposits, NRO deposits, non-resident external. Karnataka Bank launches two products to mark its Founders Day. So, okay, might be important. Karnataka Bank launched two new products, KBL Karnataka Bank Limited STRI and KBL One Family Banking Program, to mark the 101st Founders Day on 18th February 2025. They have launched two products, KBL STRI and KBL One Family Banking Program. KBL STRI, it is a savings account designed for women to define their own success, whether they are homemakers, professionals, or entrepreneurs. Homemaker, professional, and entrepreneurs for women. Savings banking account, Karnataka, KBL STRI, and then KBL One Family Banking Program. KBL One Family Banking Program, it is a banking solution that links family under one ID, offering tailored benefits, shared privileges, and seamless access. Okay, the next is the RBI allows matching of PMGAH transaction on NDS-OM CCIL state settlement. RBI announced the transaction between a primary member, PM primary member, and its GILT account holder, GILT GILT account holder, GAH GILT account holder, GAH. Why? So, the GILT account holder can now be matched on the negotiated dealing system order matching segment and the negotiated dealing system order matching segment and the request for quote segment of NDS-OM. It is quite a complicated term. So such transactions being cleared and settled through the Clearing Corporation of India, CCIL. CCIL stands for Clearing Corporation of India Limited. CCIL. Okay, CCIL will act as a central counterparty for transactions in government securities. Presently, transaction between primary member and its own guild account holder GAH and between two GAH of the same PM primary what a primary member are not permitted. So, okay, this is not too much detail is necessary. So yeah, and then there's another one. Eurobank and LTIM Industry partner to launch global delivery center in Pune. Okay, let me keep it right here. Eurobank SA has partnered with LTIM Industry to establish a new global delivery center in Pune, India, facilitated by Fairfax Digital Services, Eurobank and LTIM Industry. Okay. Aim. What is its aim? To enhance customer experience through improved banking operations and innovative IT services. The partnership will extend to modernizing technology infrastructure across the bank's operation in Cyprus, Luxembourg, and Greece. Okay, Eurobank and LTIM Industry partner to launch global delivery center in Pune. That much is important. Not too much detail is necessary, but I will try to read it, the whole thing. Banks CD, Banks CD, Certificate of Deposit, Banks CD, Certificate of Deposit issuances soared 44% in the financial year 25 so far, RBI Bulletin. According to RBI Bulletin, the bank's Certificate of Deposits issuance have jumped by 44% to 9.57 lakh crore during April 24 to February 2025 from 6.66 lakh crore in the corresponding previous year. The surge in certificate of deposit issuances come as banks struggle to attract deposits and amid competition from higher yielding alternatives like mutual funds. Similarly, CP commercial paper issuances by India Incorporated stood at 12.44 lakh crore. 12.44 lakh crore during 2024-2025 up to January up about 15% year on year from 10.84 lakh crore during the corresponding previous year. Corporate bonds issuances at 7.25 lakh crore were 19% higher year on year during 2024-2025 than 6.09 lakh crore a year ago. So these are just a little bit. I will try to remember the values because there's lot of data here. Oh my god, I can't stop thinking about her. Shit. What's happening? RBI sold a net 35 billion in November and December 2024. The RBI, Reserve Bank of India, sold foreign currencies worth 35.4 billion on net basis in November and December 2024. Aim to prevent excess volatility in rupee movement amid heightened dollar outflows from local equities. As foreign investors started seeking safe haven for their investment after Donald Trump victory in US presidential. Okay, yeah, this is true. This is good. It has happened recently because US because Donald Trump won and in the US. So yeah, lots of investors have started moving towards US. And then the next is IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI, permits one-time UPI mandate for buying life health cover. The IRDAI has permitted a one-time mandate for blocking the amount towards premium through UPI, Unified Payment Interface mandate for issue of life and health insurance policies. The feature will allow policyholders to block funds in their bank accounts for specific transactions. Okay, for specific transactions under the facility called the Bima application support by blocked amount, Bima ASBA, application support by blocked amount, ASBA. The transfer money from the prospect to the insurer happens only when an insurance policy is issued. In case where the premium to be charged is more than the blocked amount, insurer will have to use the facility to modify the mandate through one-time consent or authorization from the prospect. It's not much important. IDI imposes 1 crore penalty on UIB insurance brokers. IDI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, imposed 1 crore penalty on UIB insurance brokers. The penalty was imposed for violation of norms pertaining to prompt remittance of premium claims received to insurers foreign insurances broker within the stipulated time. Okay, that's it. Then let's move to the next one. SEBI cancels registration of 19 foreign VC firms for capital market violations. VC for foreign venture capital institutions. So the Security and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, cancelled the registration of 19 foreign venture capital institutions, FVCI. Reason for violating the capital market regulations. Foreign venture capital investors include entities based in Mauritius, Singapore and Cyprus. Okay. Oh my god. Provisioning for NPA up 20% in December 2024. I think I have got cold or something, but still I will try my best to not fall sick. In provisioning of NPS up 20% in December 2024. In the December quarter 2024, non-performing assets provisions for 29 bank rose by 20% year-on-year, reaching 23,298 crore. Provisioning of NPA reason significant increase for private private sector and the public sector banks saw record low provisioning, continuing the decline. Axis Bank or Kotak Mahindra reports sustained hikes in provisioning. Public sector banks and Punjab National Bank double-digit drop. In the case of private sector, NPA provision rose. Okay, that much is important. No, not much is necessary, I think. India's GDP to grow at 6.4% in the December quarter, according to ICRA, Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency. Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency, ICRA, projected India's GDP to grow at 6.4% in the December quarter 2025. In December 2025, on account of enhanced government spending amid uneven consumption. So according to Moody's also it is at 6.4%. According to ICRA, it's also the same 6.4%. While Indian economy has shown resilience amid global uncertainties, with SBI projecting GDP growth for third quarter of financial year 25 at 6.2 to 6.3%. Based on high frequency indicators, Bank of Baroda projected slightly higher growth at 6.6%. Okay, Bank of Baroda has projected the growth at 6.6%. Asian Development Bank plans 50% jump in annual financing to 36 billion by 2034. Asian Development Bank ADB has approved the proposal to increase its financial commitments by about 50% over the next decade, reaching over 36 billion annually by 2034. This plan includes a significant boost in non-sovereign operations and enhanced technical assistance resources to support sustainable development across Asia and the Pacific. Okay, that's it for that. Then RBI launches RBI data app. It is an important one. I should mark it as double star. RBI Reserve Bank of India launched a mobile application RBI data, which will provide access to more than 11,000 different series of economic data related to the Indian economy. The mobile app offers macroeconomic and financial statistics relating to Indian economy in a user-friendly and visually engaging format. Users will be able to view time series data in graph charts and download data for analysis. There will be also details such as data source, unit of measurement, frequency, and recent updates. Further, the app's banking outlet section will help users find banking facilities within 20 kilometers of their location, so that they can also access data about SAARC countries through SAARC Finance. So RBI data is an app that is recently being launched by Reserve Bank of India. It is an important current affairs also. Mittal family company sells 8,485 crore of Airtel shares in block deals. Okay, it is an important, I think. ICIL, Indian Continent Investment Limited, a Sunil Mittal-led promoter group entity of Bharti Airtel, on Tuesday sold a 0.84% stake or 51.1 million shares in India's second largest telecom carrier through block deals of 8,485.11 crore. 12 million were acquired by Bharati Telecom, the main promoter level controlling company of Bharti Airtel, while the balance share were left up by a host of global and local marquee investors including GQG Partners, Fidelity, Lazard, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, SBI Life, according to people familiar with the matter. Okay, not much is important, just it has shared. Mittal companies had sold 8,485 crore of Airtel shares in block deals. So that much is important. Okay, let's move to the next one. Periodic PLFS, Periodic Labor Force Survey, Quarterly Bulletin, October to December. Yeah, it is an important one. PLFS, Periodic Labor Force Survey, PLFS, Periodic Labor Force Survey. Labor force participation rate LFPR in urban areas among persons of age 15 years and above has increased from 49.9% during October-December 2023 to 50.4% in quarter October to December in the year of 2024. So it has increased from 49.9% in the year of 2023 from October to December to 50.4 in the year of 2024 October to December. Labor force participation rate for male of age 15 years and above in urban areas increased from 74.1% during 2023 to 75.4% in 2024. Labor force participation rate among female of age 15 years and above for urban areas has increased from 25% in 2023 to 25.2% in 2024. So it has increased by 0.2% in the case of females in the session of October 2023, October to December 2023 to October to December 2024. So from 25.0 to 25.2, it has increased in the case of females, and in the case of males, it has increased from 74.1% to 75.4. Worker population ratio, WPR, worker population ratio. In urban areas, among person of age 15 years and above has increased from 46.6% during October 2023 to 47.2 on 2024. Okay, 46 से 46.6 से 47.2 पे increase हुआ है. What else is there? Worker population ratio, WPR. For male 15 years and above increased from 69.8 2023 to 70.9 2024. Population among persons. Okay, that was total. This is for male. Unemployment rate, unemployment rate, it is an important one. In urban areas among person 15 years and above decreased from 6.5% 2023 to 6.4% 2024. Okay, unemployment rate has decreased by 0.1% from 6.5% in 2023 to 6.4% in 2024. Got it? Unemployment rate among male of 15 years and above remained the same at 5.8% in 2023 to 5.8% in 2024. So it has not changed among the case of males. Among the case of females, unemployment rate has decreased from 8.6% in 2023 to 8.1% in 2024. Got it? Let's move towards the next one. LIC unveils smart pension plan. LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, has launched a single premium smart pension plan offering a range of annuity options for single life and joint life annuities, a non-linked individual group savings and immediately annuity plan. Minimum 18 years, maximum 65 to 100 years. The minimum purchase price is 1 lakh with incentives for high purchase prices. Okay, whatever. RBI Ombudsman called as Reserve Ombudsman Yojana 2021. The Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act 2013 mandates the establishment of Lokpal at union level and Lokyuktas at the state level. Reserve Bank of India had introduced the Reserve Bank Integrated Ombudsman Scheme RBIOS Integrated Ombudsman Scheme 2021, which was translated into Hindi as Reserve Bank Ekikrit Lokpal Yojana. The term Lokpal is exclusively designated for the body created under this act and came into force in 16 January 2024 under Section 3 of the Act. Okay, got it. RBI Ombudsman wala ho gaya. Okay, so it's been affecting me a lot. This cold. Yeah. Okay, so the next one is IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India's Bima Trinity Initiative. IRDAI has launched the Bima Trinity Initiative to transform India's insurance landscape. The plan consists of 3 components: Bima Sugam, Bima Vistar and Bima Vahak. Okay, it is important. I have read it somewhere else once before. Bima Sugam, Bima Vistar and Bima Vahak. Bima Sugam, a unified digital marketplace for buying, servicing and claiming insurance policies. Bima Vistar, a composite insurance product offering coverage for life, accidents, property and hospitalization. Bima Vistar insurance. And then Bima Vahak, a women-centric localized insurance distribution model targeting rural and semi-urban areas. So let's reread it again. Bima Trinity, it consists of Bima Sugam, Bima Vistar and Bima Vahak. Bima Sugam, Bima Vistar and Bima Vahak. Bima Sugam is a unified digital marketplace for buying, servicing and claiming insurance policies. For buying, servicing and claiming insurance policies. Bima Sugam. Bima Vistar. Vistar is a composite insurance product offering coverage for life, accidents, property and hospitalization. So composite product offering coverage for life, accident, property and hospitalization. Vistar. Vistar means composite, so it is varieties. Okay. And Vahak. Vahak is a woman-centric localized insurance distribution targeting the rural and semi-urban areas. Got it. South Indian Bank launched as South Indian Bank SIB Quick FD for seamless digital investment. Yeah, I have read it also somewhere before. So South Indian Bank has launched South Indian Bank Quick FD. So what does it do? A digital service that allows customer to open FD using UPI without needing an existing account with the bank. So it does not require you the person to have a bank account, and you can open an fixed deposit account using UPI. It is a paperless process that takes just 5 minutes and requires minimal documentation, just PAN card and Aadhaar card. And FD can start from 1000 rupees minimum, making them more and more accessible. So it is important also. Let me double tick it. Let me drink some water. SBI Mutual Fund unveils a rupees 250 SIP. I have read it before. Yeah, SBI Mutual Fund 250 SIP. SIP means Systematic Investment Plan. SIP. So a new initiative designed to make mutual fund investment more accessible to a wide range of investors across India. Jan Nivesh SIP. Jan Nivesh SIP. Okay. Offers flexible SIP options starting at just rupees 250 with daily, weekly and monthly investment plans. Daily, weekly and monthly investment plans. This low entry threshold make it easier for individual to start their investment journey. Okay, got it. It is an important one. 361 asset acquires 15% in Bharati AXA Life Insurance. 361 asset is set to acquire 15% stake in Bharati AXA Life Insurance, aiming to boost innovation and expand market reach. The investment will help Bharati AXA enhance its product offerings and address consumer needs with the deal awaiting regulatory approvals. Okay, got it. 361, I have to reread it again. I got distracted. 361 asset acquired 15% stake in Bharati AXA Life Insurance. Okay, it acquired 15% stake in Bharati AXA Life Insurance. 361 asset is set to acquire 15% stake in Bharati AXA Life Insurance, aiming to boost innovation and expand market reach. The investment will help Bharati AXA enhance its product offerings and address consumer needs with the deal awaiting regulatory approvals. Okay, I got it. LIC Life Insurance Corporation launched one man office to empower agents with 24/7 digital services. One man office. LIC has launched digital service platform. What was its aim? To empowering its agent and sale associate by offering seamless policy sales, customer servicing and business tracking all through a mobile friendly ecosystem. One man office is designed to enhance the efficiency and productivity of LIC's sales force, which include agents, development officers, senior business associate, chief life insurance advisors, LIC associates and chief organizers. The platform will enable them to provide life insurance services anytime, anywhere. So it is developing quite a lot. So it is going to be a 24/7 digital service, one man office to empower every single agent at LIC. Got it. Bank of India raised 2690 crore 2690. Bank of India raises 2690 crore via infra bond at 7.5 PC interest rate. Wait, what is 7.5 PC? Okay, yeah, 7.5% PC percent. State-owned of India, Bank of India, State-owned Bank of India has raised a 2,690 crore through 10-year infrastructure bond at 7.5% rate to funding long-term project and affordable housing. Strong investor interest saw bids totaling 8,845 crore. The bank's third quarter of financial year 25 net profit surged 35% year on year to rupees 2,517 crore. Okay, Bank of Maharashtra get the regulator's nod for Gift City branch. Okay, Bank of Maharashtra has received approval for Reserve Bank of from Reserve Bank of India to set up a International Financial Service Center IFSC, International Financial Services Center IFSC banking unit in Gift City, Gujarat Infrastructural and Technological City. If I am correct, that's the full form of Gift City. The branch will function as Bank of Maharashtra first international branch carrying offshore banking operations from India. Okay, it is an important one. फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ब्रांच कहाँ पे है, वो गिफ्ट सिटी पे है. किसने खोला है, बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र ने खोला है. ओके, एंड व्हाट एल्स इज देयर, द आईएफएससी बैंकिंग यूनिट ऑफ the bank will provide the bank to access international financial markets and will allow the bank to deliver a complete range of products to its client with foreign currency funding requirements. Okay, got it. It will allow it will provide the bank to access international financial markets and to deal with foreign currency funding requirements, deal with clients. Okay, MD and CEO of Bank of Maharashtra is Nidhu Saxena. Got it. Let's move towards the next one, which is new UPI rule on automatic acceptance rejection of chargeback from 15 February. NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India has released new guidelines for UPI, Unified Payment Interface transaction, outlining the automatic acceptance or rejection of chargeback based on transaction credit confirmation, TCC, transaction credit confirmation and returns. The new policy will take effect from 15th of February. It has already been started its effect. The new system will allow transaction credit confirmation and will implement an auto acceptance / rejection of chargeback, thereby eliminating the need for manual intervention. Okay, maybe it might be important. I can't get through it. The move will reduce delays and confusion. According to NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, the new rule applies only to bulk uploads and UDIR. What is UDIR? Have I read it? I don't. It excludes front-end dispute resolution. Also, the beneficiary bank will have time for transaction. Well, last point is not much necessary. Ugro Capital partners with FMO. Ugro Capital, a data tech NBFC, non-banking financial corporation. NBFC, non-banking financial corporation, focused on MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises lending, announced its latest strategic financing collaboration with FMO, the Dutch Entrepreneurial Development Bank. FM, Future Marketing Operations, FMO. What is FMO? FMO, Financial Management Office. Okay, Field Marketing, the Dutch Development Bank. FMO is a Dutch development bank structured as a bilateral private sector. Okay, it is a Dutch development bank, FMO. Got it. कहाँ गया? Dutch Entrepreneur Development Bank. The company has successfully raised rupees 2,600 million through non-convertible debentures (NCDs), with the proceeds earmarked to drive initiatives in women empowerment, address territorial inequalities, and foster youth employment. The INR denominated NCDs, non-convertible debentures issuance, was fully subscribed by FMO, reflecting the bank's commitment to fostering inclusive and sustainable prosperity by supporting entrepreneurs. Got it. What else is there? SEBI enhances corporate government. SEBI enhances corporate governance with new RPT portal. SEBI has launched a dedicated portal for reporting related party transactions. RPT related party transactions to enhance corporate governance and transparency in India's security market. Got it. The new portal aims to streamline RPT related party transaction reporting by listed companies, ensuring consistent and timely disclosures. The new RPT portal represents significant effort in SEBI's ongoing mission to create a more transparent and accountable market environment. Alright, so I will take a little bit break. I will drink some water first. Gala सूख गया है. So much left to do. Every time I think about it, I get much more stressed out. I was not able to sleep properly yesterday. I had a very bad night, I think. Bad night, yeah, that much I could say. I did some overthinking, and what else I did? Yeah, I did overthink yesterday about things from yesterday. Somehow I woke up early today and did whatever I could. So I have yet to complete the whole day target till now. So first I will try to, do as many pages as possible. Like I have completed only 3 pages till now. So like I don't know how many pages I could do today, but I will try to do my best. Like always, I don't give up on anything. So I don't usually give up on anything, but when I think it's not going to work, then totally finish. Whatever, let's get back into it. So RBI extends Vakrenji authorization to operate white label ATM until March 2026. What is this? Mumbai-based technological company Vakrenji Limited, Vakrenji VAKRANGEE Limited, said the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, has renewed the authorization to set up, own and operate white label ATMs across India. White label ATMs. I have forgot what is white label ATM. Non-banking entities are called white label. Okay, automated ATMs set up, owned and operated by non-bank entities are known as white label ATMs. Got it. The extension is valid till 31st March 2026. Okay, 31st March, my date of birth. Vakrengi currently owns 22,395 Vakrengi Kendras. Okay, that's a lot. 22,395 Vakrengi Kendra outlets, and 81% of these outlets are in Tier 4 and Tier 6 location. Okay. Decentro unveils India's first self-hosted CKYC What is central KYC? Decentro, a leading fintech infrastructure platform, has launched India's first fully compliant self-hosted central KYC solution, enabling financial institutions to seamlessly transition to the new CER SAI compliance framework. This innovation eliminates third-party dependencies, allowing bank, NBFC, and insurers to onboard customers. Okay, alright, let's start again with the next part. Wholesale Price Index WPI Wholesale Price Index for January 2025. DPIIT Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade DPIIT Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade has released the Wholesale Price Index WPI for January 2025, reporting an annual inflation rate of 2.31% provisional compared to January 2024. The index for primary articles declined by 2.01%, decreasing from 193.8 December 2024. Okay, I don't want to go through all these datas. Okay, let's move on. RBI imposes penalty on the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. RBI has imposed penalty on the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation Limited 66.6 lakh reason for non-compliance with certain regulations including Know Your Customer KYC and internal rate on deposits. A penalty of rupees 33.1 lakh has also been imposed on IIFL in Samasta Finance Limited reason for non-compliance with certain provisions in NBFC non-banking financial company systematically important non-banking finance taking directions of the whatever. That's a lot of things to do. Okay, got it. So where is it? I have completed 3 pages only right now. The cold is affecting me a lot. I think I will stop for now. I will mark it at this page and I will later on try to complete whatever left as much as possible. So yeah, whatever I have read till now, I have almost memorized it. I have to go through it once again. To properly do that, and that's the thing. And what else is left for now? Yeah, I have to do a one sectional mock test for English section, one sectional English mock test for clerical mains, and I will try to complete the time speed distance section. Time speed distance whole revision is important. I have to do it within today. That's the thing nah. That is the thing. I have not much time left because it's already 6 o'clock. So I will stop the current affairs right here. It's already been almost an hour, almost, not 1 hour yet, it is almost an hour. So so I will try to do the English sectional mock test for now. English sectional mock test of the clerical mains, and after that I will try to complete the time speed distance, whatever portions left, and tomorrow I will try to do some questions later on. So I guess this is it then. Bye bye.